So why did I make this video instead of a testimonial? I thought about that at first, having students talking about the lessons and record their feelings about the lessons and how it was going. But it doesn't really feel genuine in general. And I thought it would be better to show something that would be real and that would actually show a student learning and his progress. So César wanted to learn French and we talked about it and I suggested that we record all the lessons and that they would be put all of them on YouTube without any editing from the first lesson to anywhere where we would get. And he accepted. So we did that. We recorded everything from the first day on. And then I decided I could try to create some kind of time lapse video just to show 1 year, the first year of progress, like what happened during this first year of lessons. So he had lessons for a year. This was like twice a week on average. But of course, there are like sometimes month without lessons because one of us was not available or for different reasons. Also, something else is that I suggested things that you could do in between the lessons to practice, but he actually never really had time for that because he had a very busy schedule. So his learning is basically just what we see in the videos. There's not a lot of homework going on in between. Actually, none at all. It says so in the videos because it just didn't have time. So here's a few example of the lessons, and I added the date so we could follow the progress as he goes.
Une raclette, une raclette noire,
Uh-huh. Pronunciation?
noire,
It's with this.
mm, noir, noir,
Yes.
noir, noir, une
But you
raclette
keep
noire,
the white part is not very clear.
ah, noir, noir,
Yes.
noir,
Get rid of the last sound for now. Just
noir,
it's better.
noir,
Again?
noir,
Yes.
noir,
Okay, that's better. Again?
une raclette noire,
That's it.
deux raclettes noires, trois raclettes noires. Je prends trois raclettes jaunes et maison une sur la table et, ah, et maison une sur la table et les autres sur la table.
Okay. Can you say this?
Ah,
Yes, sounds better.
sous
Careful
la
with the
table.
vowel.
Vous avez pris les crayons jaunes. Non,
Ah,
vous avez pris les raclettes jaunes sur la table, sur la table et vous en avez mis quatre sur la table et l'autre entre la table et la boîte.
that's it.
Pour aller de, pour aller de votre salle de bain à le salon,
Uh,
à, ah oui, c'est pour aller de votre salle de bain au salon,
mhm.
vous, 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 vous devez, vous devez d'abord aller hum, dans, votre chambre et en- ensuite la cuisine, la cuisine, ensuite dans la cuisine et enfin dans la salle à manger.
Ok. Mm.
Il est, il est 6h30. David
Mhm.
se réveille.
Yeah.
Mhm. Ensuite, il il se lève,
Mhm.
il se lève. Hmm, Après, il va dans la salle de bain et il prend une douche.
Mhm. Mhm.
Hmm, Il prend une douche.
Yes.
Le film parle de, de ogre qui s'appelle Shrek et de son ami Anne. Ils doivent sauver une princesse, une princesse qui est enfermée dans dans
Yes.
une tour. Quand ils arrivent dans le château, ils trouvent un dragon. Alors, l'âne le distrait pendant que, pendant, pendant que Shrek sauve la princesse. Après, ils partent ensemble du château.
Comment
Hmm.
était ton week-end?
Hmm. Hmm. Bien. Bien. Hmm. Et yes, j'ai fait les choses que je t'avais dit.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mhm.
Euh,
Mhm.
quelle chose?
I expected that. Et je suis, j'ai travaillé à distance. Hmm. Et,
Mhm.
et je suis allé à l'église. Et après, hmm, je, je suis allé au, hmm, au restaurant. Hmm, et après, je retourné chez moi. Je suis retourné chez moi. Je
Mhm.
suis retourné chez moi. Mhm. Hmm, Et, et j'étais très fatigué. Donc, et non, j'ai dormi.